ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯦꯠꯇꯤ ꯑꯅꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯉꯧꯕ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜ ꯁꯦꯠꯀꯅꯤ, ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯌꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯒ꯭ꯔꯪ ꯇꯥꯕꯤ, ꯐꯨꯔꯤꯠ ꯐꯩꯖꯣꯝ ꯊꯕꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯡꯆꯦꯠꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯉꯧꯕ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯠꯅꯩ꯫ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯀꯩꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯤꯉꯧ ꯁꯦꯠꯅꯩ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯧ ꯆꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯅꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯐꯤ ꯐꯪꯂꯕꯁꯨ ꯐꯤꯉꯧ ꯁꯦꯠꯅꯔꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯈꯟꯅꯅ ꯃꯅꯥꯐꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ꯫ ꯃꯅꯥꯐꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯈꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯖꯦꯠ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯡꯅꯤ꯫ ꯃꯅꯥꯐꯤ ꯐꯪꯂꯕ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯣꯛꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯅꯝꯊꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯍꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯞꯀꯅꯤ, ꯐꯩꯖꯣꯝ ꯈꯥꯃꯦꯟ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯁꯦꯠꯀꯅꯤ, ꯔꯦꯁꯝ ꯐꯨꯔꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯛꯄꯤ ꯂꯤꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯈꯨꯖꯤ ꯄꯣꯞꯆꯥꯎꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯕꯥꯔꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯛ ꯇꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯔꯦꯁꯝ ꯐꯨꯔꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯏꯖꯣꯟꯕꯤ ꯁꯦꯠꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯛ ꯇꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯌꯦꯠ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯎꯔꯣꯛ ꯃꯇꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯦꯠꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯁꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯩꯖꯣꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯨꯟꯖꯥ ꯀꯥꯎꯅꯩ, ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯣꯃꯥꯜ ꯁꯤꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯐꯩꯖꯣꯝ ꯀꯨꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯖꯥ ꯊꯦꯛꯀꯠꯅꯩ, ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯨꯟꯖꯥ ꯀꯥꯎꯅꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯂꯦꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯖꯦꯠ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯁꯥꯝꯂꯛꯂꯤ꯫
𝗠𝗵𝗂𝗂𝗍𝗏. This 𝗠𝗵𝗂𝗏 is one of the name of the deities. It is a very powerful goddess, and in this 𝗠𝗵𝗂𝗏 song, the 𝗠𝗵𝗂 goddess, she is searching for her beloved 𝗏𝗏, and she is roaming around, moving around the hills, moving around the forest, moving around the whole natural environment, and she is inquiring about her beloved 𝗏𝗏. Oh, big tree, oh, big hills, big mountains, have you ever seen? Have you seen my beloved 𝗏𝗏? If you then just tell me where I can find him. It is a song of romantic kind of sorrow, and as well as very slow movement, slow rhythmic. And in this 𝗠𝗵𝗂 song, we can have two different rhythm, which is 𝗠𝗵𝗂𝗏, slower 𝗠𝗵, and 𝗠𝗵𝗂𝐻𝑚, which is faster 𝗠𝗵. The first 𝗠𝗵 we shall try with. This is also the penarcolon. The instrumental sound is also very important here. So now we can first straight to the song itself. So in this slow 𝗤, it will goes until the three directional side, and it is quite lengthy. There is a three verses, and afterwards the faster 𝗤 we can learn now. So this is a faster 𝗤. Okay. So here, hana akhoi chasing hana lenba housiko, duga isai hau. So this kind of in the second part of the 𝗠𝗏𝗖, the faster part, which is the expression is changes from the earlier slower part. From here, the 𝗏 and the 𝗠𝗏, they are found each other. So when they meet each other, their all sorrows has gone, only happiness there remains, and so they become settle down, cool down, and they bring out their fruits and flowers, and they promise each other that from now on together we will together live, and we will union. And so that is from there, the god and goddesses union, the prosperity has come. And so this latter part of the 𝗠𝗏, faster part, is the expression is more joyful and more happiness. So your expression, your body gestures, and your vocal expression should be more, more romantic at the same time very happiest. So like this kind of expression is extremely happiness. Poino to hairo umang lady take tok say na. Pena pa ito so hairo. How's it get? Umang lady ha. Umang lady ha. Like smile ko, then hay rong na hay sung khai na chamin này đối sung ta hay ro. Hay rong na hay sung khai na chamin này lấy rong na lấy cha xin na chin min này like ko. Đấy cái Bản thông nó ngâm sẽ tem sinh này hay rồi. Bản thông nó ngâm sẽ tem sinh này ông có bảo liêm nó ngâm sĩ nó tem sinh này. Okay, such kind of expression, body movement, gestures, it is very important in this second part of the 𝗠𝗏, where at the same time, at the same moment, the 𝗍𝗏s, they will also perform this kind of dual dance. That's the two 𝗍𝗏s will reenact, one as 𝗏, one as 𝗠𝗏. So they will hold each other hand, and they will reenact the reunion of god and goddesses dances. So it is a very important, at the same time very enjoyable music, enjoyable song in ꯀꯪꯂꯩ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕ.
ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯃꯥꯄꯜꯗ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯉꯩ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏ. ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤꯅ ꯃꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯕꯨ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯃꯔꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯈꯤꯕ, ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯊꯪꯗ ꯃꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯄꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯗ ꯊꯨꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏ. ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ, ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏ. ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯊꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯂꯤ. ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ, ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯇꯞꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ. ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯝꯁꯛ, ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯔꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯁꯩꯁꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ.
ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯁꯛꯄꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯞꯄꯒ ꯊꯥꯡꯗꯣꯔꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ. ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯁꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯞꯄꯤꯉꯩ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯗꯣꯔꯤꯅꯤ. ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ 𝗠་ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ song is describing about the ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ, the goddess ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ, searching for her beloved god ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ. So here is the first few lines of the song. It is full of sorrows, full of desperation. So it is a kind of searching the once gone, the like ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ. So ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯁꯛꯂꯛꯄꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯥꯁꯇꯟ ꯕꯤꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕ the second part of the Panthobi Isai, Panthobi song, there is here the movement of the foot movement will be changing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. While Penna singer, they will sing and move in this movement, and whereas while the Amaibis, they will perform the Panthobi dances, depicting that the Panthobi and the Nompok Ningto they have met each other. Afterward, while this part, the song will be Ma bung ho ching lo na ga u ba da bung ho ching lo na ga u ba da mong na ga lai ri ha mong na ga lai ri ka rang le phi di na ga phi nao ton pai de na. Such kind of song will be continuing with this song. So before continuing the demonstration, this is called, this costume is called Manaphi. Manaphi, which is, this loin cloth, the lower part of the cloth is, we call it 𝗏𝗡. This part, the white, on the waist, it is called 𝗏𝗡, and this bangles, this is called 𝗏𝗏. This part is tal, and the third we call 𝗏𝗏, and 𝐿𝐻𝗏, this is okay, it's okay. 𝐿𝐻𝗏 part is 𝗏𝗏, along with this part, small stripes, we call it 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Phiban, and this one is Fijin, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. So this costumes is, we call it Manaphi. When the Penna singer is becoming too well, and he has given recognition by the Penna Loisang, Amaiba Loisang, or the royal office, afterward, the king himself or the Pandit Achoba, the head of the Loisang, he will honor. It is a reward cloth, reward costumes. So every Penna Khongba should not wear this cloth. And especially in Lai Harauba, this cloth, full costumes of the Penna Khongba, should be worn only by the honored Penna Khongba only. And all on whole of the Lai Harauba, the Penna singer doesn't have to use this whole cloth, because these are the very expensive cloths. The 𝗏𝗡, Khuji Tal, and everything is very expensive. And during the whole Lai Harauba, this whole cloth might be damaged. So a white whole cloth is usually wear during the Lai Harauba. So with these costumes, we will demonstrate the ꯄꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯊꯅꯝꯃꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯗꯨ ꯁꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯐꯝꯐꯝꯗꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯥꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯝꯃꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯄꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯖꯨꯟꯖꯨꯟ ꯅꯪ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯠꯂꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯔꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯪ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯗꯨꯔꯒꯦꯁꯣꯔꯤꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯠꯂꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯞꯃꯦꯟꯗꯨꯗꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯗꯨꯡꯗꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯩꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯗꯨꯡꯗꯣ ꯄꯣꯏꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯁꯦ 1 2 खरा तपना चसी माइकेल